Okay, so it looks like our hive is swarming. There are bees everywhere. This is crazy. We've got another hive. If we can, hopefully they don't go too far, so that we can just set them up in another hive. Go right here in this apple tree, bees.
Apple tree.
I mean, they are everywhere. I guess I understand why people get freaked out when bees swarm. It's like a dark cloud in the sky. Supposedly, when bees swarm, they're at their mellowest.
Yeah.
And that's what we're counting on. But I still don't like them landing on me. Okay. It looks like there's a lot of them around the apple tree. Go to the apple tree.
Lay on the grass and look up.
Wow. What do you think, Ian? What is it?
Bees.
See if I can zoom in on the hive.
Probably how many were in there?
Oh, I couldn't imagine. There's a ton.
Tens of thousands?
Yeah.
Yeah, one's on the grass. Don't keep going further this way, please.
Okay. They're not so much in the air anymore, and they're more or less just on the hive and on the ground around it. One got stuck in Natalie's hair and she freaked out and got stung on the head. But I don't really know what they're doing. I don't know if I put a new box right next to it, if they'll just go in there. Maybe that's what I should do, is put the suit on and set the other box up. Kind of interesting to watch, though. Zoom in on that. They are just coating the front of the hive. Some of the neighbors are a little freaked out with all the bees. I think they're angry. The noise they make sounds pretty intense, but I think I'm gonna get the suit on and set up the other box, and we'll see if they just go in there. So maybe we'll come back later.